So now let's see how we can work around with Mosaic effect inside of Corel Draw. So in order to go ahead and work around with the Mosaic effect, you need to go around under the effects menu right here and then go around onto creative. And over here you can see that Mosaic is an option. So once you go ahead and choose that, you can see that Mosaic effect actually goes ahead and gets applied right here. And you can go ahead and change the size of Mosaic right here as well. And the dots samples out the pixels, and you can see it right there, just like that. You can also go ahead and change around the background color, and you can see that the background color changes accordingly. So depending on the field that you want, you can simply go ahead and choose the color of the background as you want as well. So apart from that, you can also add in a vignette right here, just like this, and accordingly you can see that you get a vignette effect around the Mosaic effect as well. And this is how you can go ahead and apply up the Mosaic effect inside of Corel Draw. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.